bigger.
So they were lying to you?
Yeah, a little bigger than the other ones. They're closer to real size, so they're a little bit of a big size. Yep.
Too big?
Some are, some aren't. Four. We'll be alright.
It's just Walker's bike, yeah.
Yeah, I'll be back in a week anyway.
I'll know in a couple minutes if I like them or not.
Yeah, you'll be able to feel it when you rotate it, right?
Mm-hmm. This should be alright here a little bit. I just lost another tenth. 1 to 2 tenths I just lost because these bearings are close to being on a real size. But I was kind of counting on them being undersized, so because usually they are. See how much shorter these are than the last ones I had?
Yeah, the other ones were way longer.
Yeah, they're made for big Harleys.
Not my little baby Harley.
You know, like knuckleheads and panheads, stuff like that. Like them stupid ass shovelheads and eagles and sporties.
Real men ride those bikes.
That's right.
One of the biggest damn cockroach I've ever seen out there.
Hey, that was dinner.
Pick up my bike, take it.
He's got a road turd out
He
there.
was like taking your freaking wheels off and shit.
Putting your bike on cinder blocks.
Single-handed.
Yeah.
Big cockroach.
Goddamn cockroach.
Yeah, well, it keeps the Mexicans in check, I guess.
Yep.
Scares the bums away at night.
He's like your security.
Yeah, that's why he's not fucking there right now. He's like, fuck this shit.
No
Goddamn
security?
cockroach tried to take me.
It looks like a scorpion.
No security out there tonight?
No.
Cockroach handling.
I did see the security guard get a phone call the other day. So he was laying on the ground on the box, and then he gets a freaking. I heard a phone ring. And it was in my phone. I was like, "What the hell?" And he pulls out a cell phone. I was like, "How does this bum have a cell phone?" And he sits there just talking to somebody. I'm like, "Oh, well, all right."
Talking to his bum buddy.
Yeah. Damn.
Well, they get those,
Obama phone.
Obama phone.
no, they're called lifelines.
It's called Obama phone.
It's called Obama phone.
That's what they call them.
Thanks, Obama.
Free phones.
Obama.
Now they're gonna be Hillary phones.
Yeah.
Shit.
No, they're going to be Trump phones, and they're going to have guns on them.
Yeah, something exploding.
Yeah.
He's gonna give you directions how to build the wall.
Yeah.
Sounds like a job.
That was on the end of the barrel?
Yeah. Gonna have to edit this out.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Everyone's gonna just be, oh, what?
Yeah. Take that out.
Have to figure out what year it is.
It's 2016 there, brother.
Maybe. That might be a little bit after I enlisted.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, because the bike's not done yet.
Yeah, that doesn't matter.
He uploads it fucking 2018.
Mass listening to 200 videos at once, like always. They didn't like it when I was doing that.
And they have to sit on the computer for half an hour to catch up.
Every 6
Like
months.
2-3 years.
Every 6 months I post 200 to 300 videos.
Yeah.
One night, 2 nights. They usually take about 2 to 3 days. But just be solid.
That'd be so funny. Gotta catch up on all this stuff.
Oh, I got some rude comments about that.
Almost done.
It appears I put too many in my hand as the short ones. Yep. I missed it by 1 on the other one though.
Pretty good.
5 too many on that one. It's a damn pizza. Making me woozy, I told you. Maybe I'll leave out 5.
And that helps them stay in place too, right? A little bit.
That's not where we're putting the loop.
Yeah, I know that's not why, but it helps, right?
Gravity does the most. They tend not to fall down when they're sitting in there. Float away.
Look at that.
Well, we know it's not too tight because it went together.
Well, that's good.
All right. I do that right?
Yeah.
Sure.
That was to spec, to Harley spec.
Spec? The Bible told me how to do it right? All right.
Sure.
Sure glad I did it right.
Woo-wee. Just like that.
Oh, lots of inplay, I like that. I did forget to check something that I should have checked. My flat light disappeared. There it is. Yeah, it appears I forgot to check that and I probably should have.
What are you checking?
Rod to crank to nut clearance where it's hitting on there, or almost touching. See the clearance? See the clearance? Like lack of none. I thought about that when I tightened it, but then you bothered me and I forgot. I think you brought up some stupid thing you were talking about.
Definitely not his fault.
See how far it sticks up.
Oh, yeah.
So you go fix it.
You hit it with the hammer.
Big hammer.
The lead hammer.
That grinds.
There's be some heads in the way.
Nice. Nice looking heads right there.
Yeah, you were supposed to work on this. You didn't do it yet. Dino swapped it out for you.
I did.
Yep.
I've been busy filming.
Likely excuse. I'll use this one. My good grinder's out of commission.
Sounds.
Very sound like crap, don't you?
Yeah.
So you want to try not to grind the nut to weaken it. So
Yeah.
a little extra stuff in your lubricant, so we should be good.
Now we gotta clean it up again.
Oh, we gotta clean it now?
Yeah.
Damn. All right, cleaning time.
We're all clean.
We're short.
We're shorter there.
Clean and short.
What do you do? Do you grind them down?
Yeah.
Yep, Gino, we had to shorten the rod. This one we had to shorten the main shaft. What's yours gonna be?
It's Be right on the fucking money. Tell me.
Perfect.
Perfect.
If it's a shovel head, it'll be perfect.
Exactly. Right, all shovel heads are perfect, right?
Damn right.
Reliable, you know.
Only until they break.
Lifetime warranty.
Yep. Until they break.
Whose lifetime?
Theirs, when their life's over, the warranty ends.
Yep.
Cockroaches?
But until that, it's perfect. You know what lifetime warranty means?
Sounds like it.
So it wasn't your life, it was the life of the part.
Yeah.
You got Loctite.
Loctite in the bolt, the nut to the table.
So that's good Loctite.
Yeah. My nuts and stuff.
I had that same problem
Yeah.
when I did too.
It sucks when you get your nuts stuck to the table. It's so good, man. It's so good.
I'm making comments again. You have to put
That's-
this back to hear what you're saying.
That's old boy right here. That's all his joke. That's all his joke. It was brilliant.
Let me put the rod in backwards.
You did?
Look at the clearance now in there.
Clarence, Clarence.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah, check that out.
Look at the other side's got some too. Look at that.
Even better.
See, that's that clunking noise you get if you don't have that. All right. Are these tight?
I know.
Loosey goosey.
I didn't tighten them yet. Let's torque this time.
Same.
Same?
150.
150. Okay, Morgan, tighten it up. Tired. Where'd this come from? You waiting for
Come
me,
on.
Susie?
Oh, tighten these things up? Okay. Was that right? 150?
Wrong saga.
Oh, yeah.
On the nut, not off the nut.
I was 200, almost 150. I'm gonna get made fun of for that.
Good work. Good work, man.
Running the nut off and everything. Why you got my wrench upside down? Trying to break it?
Because I am terrible at it.
See, I can bang you with that, didn't hurt it.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
You don't care, it's not your stuff.
well, yeah. It's old man Tatros, you know.
No, this one I bought all by myself. I thought you had this tight. When you go tighten it?
You let me fail. You sets me up just so I could just fail.
Yep.
All you do is tighten it.
I just tightened it against my arm because I'm an idiot, but you know.
And here we go to Truett.
Uh-oh. Not big enough there. Let's put this plane in my junk over here. Oil's lacking. Give me the oil over there.
What do you want from me?
Right over there. Stupid Sportsters have bigger shafts than
Oh, there's all this shit over here.
I don't know, but you're making a mess over there, I can tell.
Yeah.
It's even dark over here. Full string over there works the light, you know.
Yeah, it's pretty far away.
Yeah, it's alright. Damn, look how far those are off. As Harley would say, run it. Ooh, we can see it now. Look how far off it is.
Pretty far.
Big twin. That's why they're heavier, more metal. Oops. See, that's when you can't. When you don't torque the nuts very much, they move easy. All right, who screwed up and overdid it?
It sucks when your nuts stick to the table, you know.
Screws up the damn whole thing.
That was brilliant, dude.
Pick it on me again.
Another 2 months added to the project.
That'd be worse. Dang.
You weren't as bad as Fred's.
No, these we couldn't torque for shit because they're stupid ass Sportster nuts. They only got like half torque on them. You know what the bad part is? S&S quit making the good nuts, and there's no good nuts anymore.
Good nuts.
I know a couple good nuts.
Jim's quit making their nuts a few years ago, so.
Well, we all know how we feel about Jim
And it's nuts.
and his nuts.
Somebody beat this with a hammer right here. I feel every time I spin it.
Weird.
Yeah, huh? Funny that.
Wasn't me.
Oh, really? What tool are you using?
Look right here. See the big hammer marks?
Yeah.
It's gonna cause drag in the
Does it
wall.
look like this size to you?
I don't know.
That's why you don't use metal hammers. You use lead. Non-metal. It's right there. It's gonna move at some point.
Damn. That's
move?
crazy.
Or did it move?
Yeah.
It's got a twitch over there. What happened?
Twitch is good.
Except at like 8,000 RPM.
How often am I going to be running at 8 though?
Probably never.
Am I test riding it?
When you're test riding it?
It takes off all the rev limiters and everything.
Yeah, it's even closer now. Are you happy?
Yep.
Okay, that's it for this piece of crap. Now I can work on a Harley.
Oh, now we get to put it in the cases.
Next year.
No, I'll do that right now. I'll go get the cases.